Congratulations in course passing the PSI exam.
Thank you po, sir.
Oh, that's a big achievement. So how are you feeling about it, by the way?
Actually, I felt happy and excited to go there because in Philippine science, their lessons are advanced, many technologies. They also have robotics, many other advanced things like, what do you call this one? Experiments. And
Okay.
their environment is actually friendly. In
Oh, I see.
PhilSci, you guys have to help each other to get to
Okay.
success. And just like that, when I passed PhilSci, I felt happy and also shocked.
Why
After some
experience to
days,
have?
I realized that I was also one of the top 240 students who
Oh,
passed the PhilSci main campus in the whole Philippines.
oh, I see. That's very nice.
I was like, yes, finally, I will now go to advanced high school, and
Okay.
so that I can learn more about the world.
Oh, the word. Okay. When you open this exam, no, this is about experience on your exam, then, and you realize you actually knew to solve the math problems. How did make the rest of the test feel easier? Have you ever tried to experience that?
Yes, I did experience those only the first time. When I get through the PhilSci exam, our first exam was mathematics, which
Oh,
I saw many questions, most of them algebra, which I
oh,
realized I remember this back then when we were using master's food class, the magic pot.
okay,
I saw some
okay.
linear equations, algebraic expressions, and I think there could be also quadratic equation.
Oh, I see.
And there are also some percentage ratios, of course, fractions.
Oh, I see.
And it actually made it easier for me because I realized I knew everything from what we learned from Magic Math class.
What about your favorite part of math session? No? Or what is there a certain example? What are the things that you've learned that it really helped you?
Word problems, of course.
Oh, I see.
Word problems, quadratic equations.
So again, what if you would give one pro tip to a grade 5 student who will be taking exam on PSI next year, no? Who is nervous maybe about starting their math journey on taking the PSI exam next year, what would it be? What is your tip for them?
For me, the pro tip I would give to a grade 5 student, did it without calculator because in the PhilSci exam, calculators are strictly not allowed.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you're a certified human calculator, by the way. Thank you again, Macrogin, for sharing your experience. We're really proud of you, by the way, no?
No problem po,
So,
sir. And thank you.
yeah, do you have any message for your classmates or other students, no?
Panic. Don't be nervous. Just review
Mhm.
and review. And the most important thing before you take the PhilSci exam is to pray because God will help you there.